we're going to look at algebraic equations that have a fraction in them. So x over 2 equals 4. And this means x divided by 2. Remember, in algebra we write division as a fraction. So we can do this a couple of ways. We can actually use the pan balance to solve a fractional equation. What we're going to do is we're going to set up the left side and the right side. And x divided by 2 means that I have a weight that we call x, but I only have half of it. I don't have all of it. And that is equal to 4. So my pan balance is equal. In order for me to figure out what 1x is equal to, I'm actually going to have to add to the pan balance another half. So in order to get a full one, I add another half, which means I had to add another 4 on the right side. So really what I'm doing mathematically is I'm doubling what is on the left side and I'm doubling what is on the right side, which is exactly the opposite of half, isn't it? So if I take these two halves and put them together, I will have 1 full x weight. And if I take these two weights and put them together on the right side, I'm going to have 8. So the answer is x equals 8. And if we verify, that makes sense because x divided by 2 equals 4. What divided by 2 equals 4? Well, 8 divided by 2 gives us 4, doesn't it? Okay, so 8 divided by 2 is 4. That means we got the answer correct. Now we can also do our fractional equations and solve them by using our algebra tiles. This one's even a little bit harder. X over 3, or x divided by 3, is equal to 2. So if I take my x tile, and it's a positive one, it means that I'm going to divide it into 3 pieces. So I only have a third of it. So I'm going to shade in the pieces that I don't have. And that is equal to 2. So we're going to take 2 positive tiles here. Here we go. So a third of x is equal to 2. Now I want to have a full x though. I need to have a full x. So in order for me to get a full x, I'm going to have to take 3 pieces, so 3/3, and put them together in order to make a full one. So really what I'm doing mathematically is I'm going to triple the left side of my equation. So if I triple the left side of my equation, that means I have to triple the right side of my equation. So I have a group of 2, then I need another group of 2, and a third group of 2. Now if I put all of those 3 pieces together, I will get 1 full x. And 1 full x is equal to these 6. So it means that a full x is equal to 6. And what we got to do, we have to verify to make sure that we have the right answer. We're going to do x over 3 equals 2. We said the answer is 6. So we're going to put 6 here. 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So we got the right answer again. And that's how we can use algebra tiles and the pan balance to solve algebraic equations that have a fraction in them.